Hi everyone. Today I wanna show you something. I purchased this orchid more than months ago, and in my previous videos I showed you this orchid. When I bought it had only these 5 flowers, and most of its buds were blasted, and you see it's beautiful orchid and it has pretty healthy leaves, but there is something wrong with this orchid, and I showed you in my last video. Do you see these black spots on this orchid? And some people think that it's a black rot, and it has everywhere under the leaves. I don't think that it's fungus or something, some kind of disease here. I think that this is mold, and if I wash this I can easily remove it. And let's start. I don't think that it is black rot, even it look like that, but let's wash this orchid and we will see what is that disease or not. If it's disease, it will stay in this orchid. If it's dirt, we can easily remove with washing this orchid. For this I prepared water. It's warm water, little bit colder than warm, and I put paper towel. It's comfortable to wipe these leaves and wash. Let's start. If we can clean this orchid or not, we will see. Do you see? It's washable. It means it's something happened in the greenhouse. Maybe greenhouse was too much humid there, and I think it's mold on these leaves, but some of them don't want to go. This way I will clean this orchid slowly. And let's clean the stem. It's not dangerous if we put some water between leaves, because after washing this orchid we will dry out these leaves and the stem. The leaf under this black things is healthy. You see, it's on top of the leaves. It's dirty orchid. I don't know what happened, how it became so dirty. Here in this side I have some more. If we see this kind of orchid in the stores, if we like their flowers, it means we can buy them and wash. If there is no other orchid with the flowers which we like, I couldn't find any clean orchid there with this kind of flowers. That's why I bought this orchid. I will finish and I will show after finishing. This black dirt is even between the leaves here. You see that? And I will wash this place too. I'm not scared that I am putting water between the leaves, because all the time when it rains I take my orchids outside and they stay under the rain. And if you leave this orchid without drying, it's dangerous. We can have stem rot if we don't wipe them. But outside, even if you leave without drying, it's not dangerous for them, because outside they can dry by themselves. Inside it's a little bit dangerous for them, because we don't have wind inside the house. Outside they have, that's why they can dry out by themselves. Even here I am washing. You see, I fed this orchid once after bringing to my house, and the leaves, I feel that they are firm and strong, and even its color changed. It became dark green. It was light green like these leaves, and see, even the lower leaves are getting yellow. And that food which I fertilize my orchids, I showed you in my videos. I will you can find that video in the description below. And after that food, these orchid leaves, they changed and they are more dark green. And I will show you my other orchids. I will make another video and you will see how they changed after I fed them. And now I'm almost finishing washing this orchid. Do you see the water, how it's dirty? And I have to change this water and rinse this orchid, because I don't have any black spots, dirt on this orchid now. It's clean. We can rinse and dry this orchid. This leaf is left. I have to wash this leaf and change my water, and I will rinse again with clean water. See, it's clean now, and all the leaves, we don't have any dirt. Here it's little bit left here in this place, but little bit is okay. Something happened to this orchid in the greenhouse. I don't know what. It's dirt or mold, something. And let me change my water and I will come back. Now I change my water and I will rinse this orchid with clean water, like so, and we will see how it will look like after we wash this plant. Nothing is left, you see, it's clean. It was not sick orchid, it was dirty orchid. And good I bought this orchid, otherwise I don't know if somebody who loves plants will buy this, or it will stay and nobody buys this orchid, and even it can die because it was too dirty orchid. I saw that in the store when I was buying this orchid. And now what I have to do, you see, I rinsed and the water is clean now, and the orchid is pretty now. You see that? Healthy roots, no disease, no black rot. It was not black rot. And now I will wipe. Even this is not necessary, I never wipe, but I am showing you, if you don't have fan, you can wipe your orchid. And if you have fan, you can leave it under the fan, and after 20 minutes or 1 hour it will dry out by itself. We don't need even wipe. I never wipe my orchids because I have fan on top of this table. That's why every time when I want to water my orchids, I bring them here because it's comfortable and I can see everything what changed in my orchids, what's new, what's going on with its leaves and roots. I can see everything here. That's why I bring my orchid on top of this table. And now the water which is here between the leaves, we can dry with the fan. And you see, this place is important. We don't need to leave any water in this place. If there is water, we have to take it with a paper towel like this, and this is already wet, and I will show you with dry paper towel. We take paper towel and we put between leaves the tip of the paper towel and put in this place. See how I do it? I put here, and paper towel takes all the moisture which is between the leaves. Like this, I take all the water, and it will soak this paper towel. See, it's wet now, the tip, and the rest I can put the fan on and dry the rest of the plant with the fan. And now I have to dry this orchid, and you see, this is pretty orchid with beautiful flowers, and it will bloom soon for us, rebloom. Do you see these flowers? They are beautiful. Now this orchid is dry. after 20 minutes and I will show you. Here is no sign of water between the leaves, it's dry. You see even here, the part close to the roots is dry. And the easiest way to dry out the orchid water, it's to put it under the fan. If you live in the country where you don't have any rain, if sometimes you want to give shower to your plants, orchids and other plants, you can use this way. You can give shower. You can do it in the sink or in the bathroom, or like this on the table, and you can use any water for this. I use any. You can use rainwater or bottled water, whatever you like to use, and this way you can dry your orchid after giving shower. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel, and if you found this video beneficial and you liked something, I hope I could help some people who doesn't know, and this way we will learn from each other what to do in this kind of situations, and we don't need to be scared. And please don't forget to put thumbs up if you like this video, and share this video with other people, with your friends. Happy gardening. Bye.